So we get this question a lot. Do e-commerce types of businesses need an inventory management solution? And the answer is yes. You're welcome. Good night. Okay, fine. I'll explain myself a little bit, but I'm also going to help just kind of keep it simple. So we're going to look at this in two ways. Ways that something can save you money and ways that it can make you money. So how can inventory management save you money? Well, you can see what you have, how much you have of it, and that can help prevent spoilage. It can eliminate guesswork, which leads to wasted time or buying additional product that you don't need, which is now just wasting money, sitting on a shelf. On top of all that, and I kind of mentioned it, it's going to save you a lot of time. You're processing orders, you got your picking and packing and shipping, you're making sure that you also ordered enough so you don't have any kind of stockouts. All that stuff takes time, and for a lot of e-commerce businesses, every minute that you have really counts in those stages of your business. So you need to make sure that you're not wasting any of it. On top of that, proper inventory management is going to drastically cut back on human error, and that can be a real killer. And go through mentally in your day what it might take you as your orders come in to process 10 orders in the old way, compared to a system that already tells you where everything is because you've set it up, and being able to streamline that process so that you're not just picking one order at a time. Maybe you're picking 5 and you're able to quickly put it all down there, or even better, throw it into your phone. And finally, it also is going to integrate into everything. A good inventory management is going to integrate with shipping. It's going to integrate with all the different e-commerce, with your shopping carts. Maybe you provide on Amazon or Etsy or eBay, etc. Any which way that you were trying to access your customers, you now have access to through your inventory management, and you can see it all at a quick glance instead of hopping through systems. Saving time, making money, win-win. So if you are an e-commerce provider, you have a small business, medium size, whatever, inventory management is going to be a game changer in your ability to compete, to know what you have, to save money, and in turn, absolutely improve your revenue. Check it out. We'll put a link below and also a few other places that you can see where there are solutions that are available for you. And I'll see you next time. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.